you say something, you're angry, just sit down and think. Never ever wait for the sun to go behind the scene. Don't let your anger control your mind, 'cause it'll never help you stay alive. Listen to the chorus, I will tell you what to do in such times. This is all you've got to do, smile. All you've got to do is smile. Smile away your trouble, smile. Smile away your pain, smile. So give me a smile, I'll be fine. So give me a smile. It takes a week and you get to call it a storm. That is if you have Jesus in your heart and never let go. Trust yourself and never leave your problems unattended. Running away is not a good solution. It only takes a smile, just a little smile, to drive away confusion.